Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get slime very quickly. Slime is this ore right here, and you can obtain it in a very simple way. Normally, you need to go to the cave all the way to the end of the map where the final bosses are located. There, you can find fire or infernal slimes which can drop this material. However, the easiest way is going to the goblins. If you complete all the goblin quests, they will unlock a new part of the map. In this area, slimes spawn much faster, giving you many more chances to farm them. As you can see, there are a lot of slimes here, so you won't have any trouble finding them. The only difficult part is at the beginning if you don't have a good weapon, since they can overwhelm you. But if you have a decent weapon, you'll defeat them much faster. Slime is a very valuable material and is used to craft strong armor and weapons. In this area, you can also find many rare minerals. If we check the index, this is the Goblin Balloon Cave, and only here can you find these ores. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Sip for more forge guides.